Tawanda Gudhlanga is somebody who was very jovial, very bubbly. He was always happy. I don't remember seeing Tawanda moody or angry. He was always happy. And working with Tawanda was always fun because he's somebody who loved his job. So you could tell that he was doing it with a passion, and he was somebody who was always joking and very jovial. So working with him didn't look like you were working. It was just like you were just having fun. And I think the lessons that I've learned from him, mainly it's passion to do what you love, because Tawanda really loved broadcasting. And by the time he passed away, he was now the managing director of Here FM, and he was going up the ladder all because of his passion for his job. And I think youth can learn integrity from him, because Tawanda was very principled. He was not somebody who would play your music after you paid him. He wouldn't ask for a bribe. He was somebody who was very principled. So it's a very big loss to the Zimbabwe music industry as well as the broadcasting fraternity.
Monolio Studio, the harmony of quality and professionalism.